Greetings to everyone. This is K.H. Mahadev from Animated Tutorials. Now I am going to teach lesson from physics, electricity. Now we are going to discuss the chapter electricity, and the topics are current, potential difference, Ohm's law, limitations of Ohm's law, electric fuse, voltmeter, ammeter, resistor in series and parallel connection, and heating effects of electric current. And finally, electric charge. Now let us start with the current. Current can be defined as rate of flow of charge per unit. Let us start with current. The definition of current is the rate of flow of charge. The SI unit of current is ampere. The formula to measure current is V by R equals to I. V denotes voltage, R denotes resistance, and I denotes current. Stop. The next step is potential difference. The potential difference can be defined as the work done per unit charge in a moving charge from one point to another point. The work done per unit charge in a moving charge from one point to another point. The SI unit of potential difference is voltage, volt. Resistance. What is its resistance? The resistance is a natural tendency of conductor to obstruct the flow of current in a conductor. The definition is the natural tendency of resistor to obstruct the flow of current. The resistance SI unit is, the SI unit of resistance is ohm. The formula is V by I equals to R. The V refers to voltage, I refers to current, and R refers to resistance. Hope you guys understood good about resistance. Now we start with the resistivity. What is resistivity? Resistance offered by a piece of material in an area of cross section per unit length is known as resistivity. Resistance offered by a piece of material per cross section area per unit length is known as resistivity. The SI unit of resistivity is rho, commonly known as specific resistance. The formula to calculate specific resistance is rho L by A equals to R is the formula to calculate specific resistance. And next one is resistor. Resistor is a device used for regulate the flow of current in a conductor. And the next one is ammeter. This is the device used to measure the current in the conductor or the circuit. This is the next one, voltmeter. The voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference, and it is always connected in parallel connection. Ammeter is always connected in series connection. Electric fuse. This is the device used to avoid short circuits in the circuit. The next topic is Ohm's law. At a constant temperature, the current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the ends of the potential difference across its two ends. At a constant temperature, current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across its ends, i.e. V proportional to I, and therefore V equals to IR according to Ohm's law. Limitations of Ohm's law. What are the limitations of Ohm's law? It is only applicable at a constant temperature. It is applicable at a constant temperature, and it is also not applicable on LEDs. It is not applicable for semi and gaseous conductors. These are the limitations of Ohm's law. Hope you guys understood about the limitations of Ohm's law. When the resistor is connected in the series connection, it is known as resistor in series. The formula to calculate resistance in the series is R of S equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. When the resistor is connected in the parallel connection, it is known as resistor in parallel. The formula to calculate resistance in parallel connection is 1 by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And the next topic is heating effects of electric current. Heat is directly proportional to the square of current in a conductor. Therefore, H proportional to I square. And the second one is heat is directly proportional to resistance in the conductor. Resistance in the conductor. H proportional to R. Third one is heat is directly proportional to square of current and resistance per unit of time. Square of current and resistance per unit of time. Therefore, H proportional to I square RT. And the formula to calculate heat is H equals to I square RT. Next one is simple circuit. This is related to diagram. This is resistor. This is bulb connected here. As we know, always ammeter is connected in series connection and voltmeter is connected in parallel connection. Here we can see that the voltmeter is connected in parallel connection to resistor. And the ammeter is connected in series connection. This is positive, this is negative. And this is a battery, this is key, bulb, and the resistor. Hope you guys got something knowledge about the chapter electricity. Goodbye, signing off, Kerry module.